Meaning of gerrymander.
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 Gerrymander. Gerrymandering is a political tactic of manipulating electoral districts to benefit a particular candidate or party. This is usually done by redrawing the boundaries of voting districts to create an unfair advantage for one political party over another. The goal is to create districts that overwhelmingly favor one party, therefore making it easier for that party to win elections. This can lead to a situation where the party in power is not representative of the majority of voters, and can result in a lack of fair representation for certain groups within a society.